Hi guys, Sandra here from createinspain. Just a quick word, I'm going down to one video a week which will be published on Sundays. I'm spending far too much time doing this. It's taken me virtually all week to do 2 videos, and so it's going to be one on a Sunday from now on. Hope you still enjoy them, and if you're looking for something else to watch, just go through the back catalogue. You'll find plenty of videos in there. There's over 700. That should keep you going for a while. Now, unusually for me for this particular project, I am cutting strips and I'm going to be doing some weaving. So I cut my strips using my Tim Holtz paper trimmer, and I cut them to 4cm lengths. Now I'm using origami paper. I've got lots of it because every now and again I do a little bit of origami, and I thought, why not use it? So I decided to do the weaving. Now what I did was cut 4cm strips, and I folded it in half and then folded the centres into there and then folded again, giving a 1cm by 15cm strip. If you don't want to do that, you can just do it with 1cm strips. Just don't fold them over or anything. But this adds a little more substantiality, a bit more bulk to it, and that's what I wanted. So weaving can be a pain in the neck because you've only got 2 hands, and trying to hold everything in the same place at the same time can be difficult. There are a couple of ways around this. The easiest way probably is just to use glue when you start off, but you can also use bulldog clips and you can use large paper clips to hold things in place if you want to. This is a piece of pouch that you normally use for laminating. The dull side is the sticky side. That was the inside. I've cut it down to size and it's going to be laid over there, and I'm going to apply it by putting a piece of kitchen paper over the top, and I have a small travel iron, which is what I use in my craft room, and can literally just iron it. So then you will have all your woven pieces stuck together from the back, and you'll be able to cut it to whatever shape you want to cut it to. I've actually drawn a squiggly line on here with a permanent marker. Now bearing in mind this is on the back, I don't really like this side, so I'm going to alter that side, and I'm just going to cut this out freehand. Yeah, I'm actually cutting something freehand. Not a common occurrence, I can tell you, because it's not a pre-designed sort of shape, it's a random shape. I can get away with it because no one's going to know if I make a good job of cutting this out or not. Now any bits which are stuck up, like this little bit here, you can put a dab of glue on and stick down, but you may find that you don't have any sticky up bits at all. Just depends on where your cut line falls. Got a white base here, and all I've done is some very loose colour blending around what will be the outside edge of my little piece of weaving. I'm just going to put some double-sided tape on the back of here, like so, and I have a small sentiment which I had in my stash, and I put some double-sided foam tape on that, and I'm just going to put that in there. And we have a very simple, easy to do card. I think this one would be quite nice for someone who's into quilting because it kind of looks quiltish. So there we go, something a little bit different. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you again soon. Please remember, I am doing videos on Sundays only these days, just the one a week. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.